Hello and welcome to the video lectures of English subject. Today we are going to learn the first poem from the book Flamingo. The name of the poem is My Mother at 66. It is written by Kamala Das. Now who is Kamala Das? So Kamala Das is one of the first poets of India. She was born in Malabar, Kerala in 1934. Kamala Das has written novels and short stories in Malayalam and English. She has written under the pen name of Madhavi Kutti. So her subject matter is basically related to her personality. Now how her personality is beautiful, sensitive, bold and tormented. External factors do not reflect in her writings. Her writings bring out her true inner feelings. So in the poem My Mother at 66, she talks about her mother. Her mother is of the age 66 and this poem is based on mother-daughter relation and the poet shares her true feelings for her mother. So let us start the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. So the poem starts from last Friday morning and the poetess and her mother, who is of the age of 66, they are driving from their parents' home to Cochin airport. So when they drive from their Cochin to the Cochin airport, besides her mother is sitting. Besides the poetess, her mother is sitting. So okay, how she looks now, let us see. So I saw my mother beside me, doze, open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse and paralyzed with pain. Doze means sleep lightly, in a very light sleep. So how is the look of her mother? The poetess Kamala Das is sitting and her mother is sitting next to her, just besides her. So when the poetess looks at her mother is looking very dull, very pale, very lifeless and her mouth is open, she is in a light sleep and her face is like that of a corpse. Okay. So, and she thought away and looked but soon put that thought away. So when the poetess is looking towards her mother is looking very dull and lifeless. So the poetess is trying to divert her mind from that. Okay, so how she diverts her mind? And looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. So this was the situation inside the car, the environment inside the car. When the poetess looks at her mother, she is looking very dull and lifeless. So just to divert her mind, the poetess looks outside the car and the environment, the situation outside the car is very different from that of inside the car. Outside the car, what does the poet see? She sees the children playing, they are very happy, the trees are sprinting, means the trees are running past. So the environment outside the car is very lively and very happy. Whereas the environment inside the car is very dull and lifeless as she sees her mother. Okay. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away. So they were driving from their parents' home to Cochin airport. Now as they have reached the Cochin airport, there they had to undergo a security checkup. So the poetess is standing a few yards away, a few yards away from the Amma. So she is having a security checkup. Now what she says when the security checkup is going on, what the poetess feels. I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. Now when they are undergoing the security checkup, so the poetess sees her mother again. So when she sees her mother, she is again looking very pale, very dull and the mother is compared to late winter's moon as the winter when it is about to finish, the late winter's moon is very dull and it is very lifeless. So is the face, so the poetess is comparing. The poetess is comparing a mother's face to that of the moon, late winter's moon. So okay, and she recalls her old childhood fear. When she was a child, she fears of like my mother would die or something would happen to her. So she is recalling that. After seeing her mother, these all thoughts are coming into her mind. but all I said was see you soon, Amma, and all I did was smile and smile and smile. So her Amma was going from somewhere from Cochin airport. So just to divert herself, the poet smiled at her. She only smiled, and what did she say? That see you soon, Amma. So she is also thinking that she will soon see her Amma. So this was all about the poem. It is about the mother-daughter relationship, and the poetess Kamala Das talks about her mother here, who is of the age 66. Coming next, the two poetic devices that are the poetic devices used in the poem, that is simile. Now, how the poetic device simile is used here? So the color of the mother's face is compared to that of a corpse. So this is simile. Another example of simile is late winter's moon. So the poetess mother's face is compared to late winter's moon. Both are, the mother's face and the late winter's moon, both are very dull and very lifeless. So these are compared. So these are the two similes, the poetic devices used in the poem. So that's all for this poem, for the first poem, My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. Keep learning and keep recalling. Thank you.